Many students, when they come to my clinic, they tell me, Doctor, I don't think I am intelligent. I don't think my IQ is high. And I always tell them that you can increase your IQ. And they just say, no, but we have read that we cannot increase our IQ. And my concept of IQ and intelligent quotient is based on principles of Ayurveda. Ayurveda says your Medha Shakti. Medha is intellect illuminated by the love, and that can be improved. So in Ayurveda, there are Medha Janana Sukta, there are Medhya Rasayana, there are Medhya Karma, which will enhance the Medha. So that means we can boost our intellect. I think every child, every student, every parent would love to improve the intellect, because intelligence is a power, and intelligence is having a superpower in your mind. If you can learn in a smartest and fastest way, who will not love it? But my way of thinking is a bit different. I always tell that Sumedha Amrutokshitaha. Why a good medha is important. Only intelligence is not important. Intention behind it is very important. If you are having a good intention and a higher level of intellect, then you can have a good purpose in your life. And good purpose always does something nice for the humankind. So I always believe that a Sumedha or the Medha Shakti can be increased with the proper kind of a care. Now I am going to give you some examples by which you can increase the Medha in your brain. So there are foods which are Medhya food, like vegetables, ladies finger vegetable. There are different kind of seeds and nuts like almonds, and there are different kind of herbs like Brahmi, Jatamansi. So the things which will boost the intelligence, they will called as Medhya, and activities which will boost Medha will called as Medhya activity, Medhya karma. So speaking truth is a Medhya karma. Then that is called as Vichara Rasayana. And there is Achar Rasayana. Behaving nicely, humbly, and having a good mannerism is also a Medhya activity. It improves the intelligence. Then the most important thing is walking improves your Medha. Medha Chankarmanam Medhyam. That means whatever we are doing, exercise or physical activity or walking, that is actually boosting our intelligence. Then there are food which enhance the Medha. That is Ghrutam Medhyam. That means when we eat Ghruta, that is a pure cow's ghee, that actually enhances our brain's power because it is having a omega-3 fatty acids in it. As well as there are different kind of activities in Ayurveda, just like Snehana. Snehan is massaging oil on our body. That Ayurvedic oil actually soothes our muscles, gives a proper signal to the brain, and our brain gets relaxed. Then there is a foot reflexology or foot massage that is called as Padabhyanga. Padabhyangam Medhyam. That means doing a foot massage with a bronze alloy helps to detoxify our body, and that actually increases the intelligence, because toxins actually reduce our Medha capacity or our intelligence capacity. So even by doing a foot massage, we can enhance more and more focus of our mind. There are different kind of methods in Ayurveda which can improve Medha. So just like a food, just like different kind of activities, there are Panchakarma also which actually enhance Medha. One of the Upakarma of Panchakarma is Shirodhara. Shirodhara is very Medhya. That means when we put the oil on head, the oil is when we pour the oil on the forehead, that is called as Shirodhara. That specific activity synchronizes our brain waves and balances pranavata, and this actually is the one of the very Medhya activity. I will recommend that every school must have a Shirodhara room where a stressed child will come, have a Shirodhara and get relaxed once in a week. This will help them to have more focus as well as reduced vata. And like nowadays students, they don't understand vata concept and like that, but they are very smart and they know what is happening. Like they will say, describe it like my brain has become blank, or my mind has become blank, there are bees in my head, or they will explain it in something different manner, that my mind is not stable, or I am getting frustrated, annoyed. So that all those things are due to the vata. And the most important thing is, when their behavior is wrong, they are throwing tantrums, then that means their vata has been disturbed. So Shirodhara, foot massage, body massage, then different kind of Ayurvedic pre-karma and panchakarma, these help child to become more and more focused. Then different kind of foods and different kind of meditation activities will help the child to focus their brain. You know, it is like when we want to go in that direction, more and more ideas and more research can help us to go in that direction. So if you want to improve your medha, the right path is to take the consultation from expert and give the proper guidelines to your child, so that your child will become more healthy, more smart and more focused in studies, to have a ample success in academic.